We will now create our categories section, which is another responsive grid down here. First there's a heading, and then in each of the small sections here we have a heading functioning as a link to the category page, and then a short paragraph. Initially they all stack on top of each other, and for tablet size they take up half of the available width, and for desktop size they take up a quarter of the available width, just like with the article section above it. So let's get started. Right after our columns div tag here, we'll start adding a horizontal rule. Then we'll add another h2 heading element with the class title to make it large, and the modifier class has text centered to center it on the page. We'll give it the text categories and close our heading tag again. Then we'll establish the wrapping element for our responsive grid, a div tag with the class columns, and the modifier class is multiline. Just like before, we need to add this class so the columns will wrap on multiple rows if there are too many to fit on one row. Now we'll create our first column, a div tag with the class column, and the modifier classes is half tablet to span half of the available width on tablet size, and the modifier class is 1/4 desktop to span a quarter of the available width for desktop sizes. Inside of this we'll create our h3 heading element. We'll give it the classes title to make it a title style, and the modifier class is 5 to make it smaller, and the modifier class has text centered. Then we'll add an anchor tag with the href value being category.html and the text being category heading. Then we'll close our anchor tag and close our h3 heading tag. And then we'll add a paragraph. And I'll just paste in this random text here. We can now close it. Finally, we'll duplicate this so we have 12 instances. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's save and go back into the browser, select the right tab and refresh. Now we see our categories section here in the bottom, and it's fully responsive. So initially they stack on top of each other, then for tablet size they turn into a 2-column grid, and for desktop size they turn into a 4-column grid. This was the categories section.